Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. We were dealing with the lesson subtraction. Today we are going ahead with exercise 3D. We have done already the question 1 of exercise 3D and today we are going to the other questions of 3D. Let us see some questions here. If you see a book, you can open the book with me. Exercise 3D, question number 2. This is exercise 3D, question number 2. You can see the question says subtract orally and write the answer. Now I think A, B and C you will be able to do. This is very simple and you will be able to write it orally. Now the question number D is here. The largest 3-digit number minus the smallest 3-digit number. This is also simple. I have shown it here. The largest 3-digit number is 999 and the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and we need to subtract it. We just have to be careful and we need to subtract it. So this kind of questions you just have to be careful. Now the question E, F I think you'll be able to do. G also is simple. The question H, let me deal with question number H. 16 sets of 9 minus 12 sets of 12. Now for this question here, I have shown a figure here. This is 16 sets of 9. It means 9 has been given 16 times. There are 16 sets of 9. You can count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this, whatever the question is, this means 16 sets of 9. Okay. And here 12 sets of 12. Okay, this says 12 sets of 12. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are 12 sets of 12. The 12 has been given 12 times. Okay, so 16 sets of 9. This can also be written as 16 into 9. Okay, 9 has been given 16 times. So I am writing 16 into 9. Minus 12 into 12. Okay, so for this you need to know the table of 16 and of 12 also. Okay, so 16 9s are 144 and 12 into 12 is also 144. Okay, so now if we are going to subtract this, when we subtract the same number, we get the answer as 0. Okay, so our answer will be 0. Okay, now let us go ahead with the next question. Let us see question number I. So the question says 736 minus 100. 736 minus 100 minus 36 is equal to dash. So we don't know the answer here. And there are two minuses here. There are two minus signs here. So in this case, let us do, we can do it this way. Let us copy down this 36 here and let us calculate the first part and then let us go with the second part. Okay, let us do the calculation with the first part. The first part is 736 minus 100. So this is very simple. We subtract this one. 6 minus 0 is 6. 3 minus 0 is 3 and 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay, so this is 736 minus 36. So in this case also this is very simple. If you are calculating with me, 6 minus 6 is 0, 3 minus 3 is also 0 and there is nothing to subtract. So this is 6. So our answer is 600. Okay. Now let us go with the question. Next question. J. This looks very long but is not very complicated. If you see with me, if you count with me, there are how many 15s here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So this again goes the same way. Okay. This again goes the same way. We can write 15 into 8. Okay. So there is one minus sign here. Let us put this in bracket here. Put minus sign here. And let us count 11. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 11s. Okay. So this will be 11 into 7. Putting it in bracket. Okay. For this also we need to know the table of 15 and also of 11. Okay. So 15 8s are, if you know the table, you will be able to write 120, and 11 into 7 is 77. So we need to subtract here. Okay. So here let us subtract here. You can subtract with me orally if you can. This one is given here, so this becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. If you are not able to do, please do it making the column, and you can do it in that way. Okay. So this one has been given here. This has become 10. 10 minus 7 becomes 3. This becomes 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. So our answer is 43. Okay. Now we go to the next question. Question number 3. So 3b. I think A is similar to what we have done here already. See, this 3a is already similar. Find the difference. I have told you difference means you have to subtract. So you can do this. I think you can do it. So now the next question is, which is smaller? 12 into 8 into 10 or 13 into 5 into 20. Okay. So here, let us do here 12 into 8. So let us write 12 into 8 is 96 into 10. Okay. I am still writing here or sign here and here. 13 5s are 65 into 20. Now let us go ahead. 96 into 10 is 960. Okay. So which one is bigger? I think that is our question. 3b says which is smaller. Okay. Which one is smaller? So 960 or 65 into 20. If you calculate with me, this will be 65 into 2, and this just 2 you have to copy down. So you can see which one is smaller. Definitely 960 is smaller. Okay, this one is smaller. Okay, so it means 12 into 8 into 10 is equal to 960 is smaller. Okay, this is simple here. Now let us go ahead with the next question. This is, I am taking question number 3G. Okay, 3G is, it says take out 7 12s from 400. Okay, take out from, again the term from is given. It means from 400 you have to subtract from 400. What do we have to subtract? You have to subtract 7 12s. Okay, this is again 7 12s. It means we have to take from 400, we have to take 7 12s. Okay, 12 has been given 7 times. So once the 12 is given 7 times, it means 12 into 7. Okay, so 12 into 7, if you know the table of 12, you'll be able to solve. This is 84. Okay, now we need to subtract here. Okay, we need to subtract here the same way. If you 100 tens ones, this is 400 minus 84. Okay, so again we are carrying here, this has become 10. Okay, this has become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. So this 0 has become 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. This has become 3. This has become 3. This has become 9. So 316. So our answer will be 316. So for this kind of questions, you need to be careful. Okay, you just have to be very careful what you are solving, how you are reading, and the way you are calculating, you have to be very careful. And once you evaluate it, once you are able to find out the answer, you need to go through, you need to just revise what you have done it. Okay, now let us see the another question. Question number J. Write the sum of, okay, I think rest of the questions you will be able to solve. This H is the similar way. Take out 13 tenths from 500. Here again you have to multiply, again you have to subtract from 500. Okay, and here again you have to find the difference, you have to subtract this. Okay, in the question number I. Now here find the sum of 345 minus 200 and 678 minus 300. Okay, so the term sum comes. Sum means you have to add it. Okay, so before adding, we need to evaluate this. You need to evaluate this and then this. Okay, then only we'll be able to do. Okay, so I have shown here. You have to find out the sum of 345 minus 200. So let us first find out. Okay, let us first subtract it here. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 0 is 4. And 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so 1 is over. 1 we have solved here. Now another one. 678 minus 300. Okay, I have written here 8 minus 0 is 8, 7 minus 0 is 7, 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, so we have got two numbers here, and we need to find the sum. Okay, so the sum is 145 and 378. Okay, so this is our, we need to add this both. Okay, so let us add this. 8 plus 5 is, yes, you add with me, 13. 1 is carry over here, 1 we are carrying over there. Now this will be 11 plus 1 12, 2, 1 is carried over here again. Now 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is again 5. So this is the way we are going to solve it. Okay, this is the way you need to solve it. You need to be careful. So this will be the homework for today. Your homework is exercise 3D, all whatever is there in 3D, whatever you did not do. Exercise 3E, only question number 1 and 2, and exercise 3F. Okay, exercise 3D all, exercise 3E, only question 1 and 2, and exercise 3F. Okay. Okay, bye. Thank you.